Ever hit ignore on a text? Not because you're busy, but because answering it feels like stepping into a storm. Today, we're dissecting the psychology of people who avoid conflict and why they'd rather lose a relationship than risk a single confrontation. Remember to like and subscribe if you enjoy psychology videos and want to learn more. Now, let's begin. These are the peacekeepers, the ones who say it's fine, even when it isn't. But underneath that calm exterior is a fascinating psychological cocktail. Fear conditioning, attachment wounds, learned helplessness, even childhood survival tactics. For many conflict avoiders, silence was their first safety tool. If you grew up in a home where emotions meant explosions, staying small wasn't weakness, it was survival. They learned early, conflict isn't communication, it's danger. Now meet the fawn response. When stress hits, some people don't fight or flee, they please. These people tune themselves to keep everyone else comfortable, even if it costs them their truth. Over time, avoiding conflict becomes identity. They're the easy one, the peacemaker, the fixer. Admitting anger feels like becoming someone else entirely, someone they're afraid won't be loved. Being agreeable stops being a choice. It becomes a cage. Neuroscience backs this up. In conflict, their stress center fires first. Logic arrives late, so they retreat to what's safe. Silence, yeses, apologies. To them, disagreement isn't a debate, it's a threat. But avoiding conflict doesn't eliminate it, it compounds it. Unsent texts become unsaid truths. Every no problem eventually explodes, or evaporates. The irony? In trying to protect the relationship, they quietly suffocate it. Authenticity feels risky, but swallowing every need is far riskier. Conflict-avoidant people don't wake up fearless. They start with micro-bravery. Name the body cue. Tight chest, clenched jaw. Script the sentence before you enter the room. Let silence hang. You don't have to fill it. Remember, disagreeing doesn't mean being unkind. One declined request. One clarified boundary. One uncomfortable pause. Here's the reframe that changes everything. Conflict isn't the opposite of harmony. Conflict is proof that you believe the relationship can handle truth. Avoiding conflict protects peace in the short term. Facing it builds trust in the long term. If you recognized yourself here, don't beat yourself up. You've been training for peace your whole life. Now it's time to train for honesty. In the next 24 hours, notice one moment you're tempted to shrink. What would happen if you didn't? Peace isn't the absence of conflict, it's how you handle it.